Chab, Miss Zarina Panela, Yuki Bruno, Miss Melissa Nina, Yuno Benzon, Joe Reyes, Jackie Shelo, Evangeline Soriano, Michelle Borda, Julie Plete, Toppings, Laguador, Rowena Sogueco, Jeremiah Chan, Ann Taginod, and Kit Albay. Again, 18 wishes. Please join our celebrant here. Okay, are they complete? Picture muna tayo. Okay, please get your candle po before we do the picture taking. Okay, picture. All right, and now it's time for you to give your wishes to our celebrant. Can we have another mic? Ayan. Okay, and let's start with you, then pass the mic.
Ayun. So ako po si Jeremiah, high school BFF ni JL. Ayun. So kasama ko po siya before nun sa homecoming. Tapos nun, sobrang wish ko sa iyo is excellent health. And yun nga more longer life pa. Tapos happiness din syempre. Ayun. Maraming salamat for being one of my true friends. Ayun.
Hi, Mars. Hindi, tatandaan ka nung high school. Isa lang crush natin yun. Ayan. Basta thank you for inviting me kasi alam ko recently lang tayo naging close. Tapos wish you good health, alam mo yan. Tsaka continue playing your sports and nandito lang kami lagi. Thank you, Mars.
Hi, JL. Happy birthday. Thank you for the invite and yung wish ko, my wish for you is yun, to continue lang being as beautiful as you are, inside and out. And always, continue mo rin na you always look back where you come from. Hindi mo nakalimutan yung mga friends mo, even if you have lots of friends now. So, yun. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, JL. Wish ko magkaroon ka ng BFs. Hindi boyfriends, ha? B for blessed years, good health yun. F for fulfillment sa mga dreams na i-chase mo and the aspirations. And S, strength, kasi we'll be facing new challenges. And always remember, kahit may mga new challenges ka, you have your family and your friends, us. And happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ateng. So, I think sa magpipinsan ako yung nakakilala sa'yo sa work ethics kasi pareho tayo ng company. Tapos, just recently, I see na parang marami kang tatanggap na commendations and recognition. So, I wish na sana mas marami ka pang matanggap na gano'n at awards. And sana mag-lead siya sa promotion. Yan. So, sa promotion, charot. Yan. Happy birthday ulit, Ateng. Love you. Hello, Nay. So, happy birthday. Nay! Charis. May pansit, Charis. Happy birthday since 2014. Ayun. Oo, medyo. Payat ka pa noon. So, ayun. Happy birthday. So, lahat naman ng blessing nasa iyo na din. Boyfriend na lang. Sana, sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng buhay na hindi niya kukunin agad. So, ayun. Ayun, kasi sobrang yung love na binibigay mo sa family, sa friends, and kahit sino man ay very pure, pati doon sa mga advocacies natin sa Trippers, Philippines. Naging isa ka sa leader talaga na nilulook up namin as a newbie dati. So, maraming salamat sa friendship, sa moments natin. Yun.
Hi, Sis! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Alam mo na yon. Sana more, alam mo na, nandyan lang sa labas yung iba. And then, ayun nga, sa tagal na nating magkakilala, alam ko na kulangan tayo ng isa. Pero I know, nandyan lang yung isang friend natin na lagi sumusupport sa ating dalawa. And wish you all the best again. I know, hindi, ayoko pa nasa edad daw muna, May. Ayun nga. I love you. And andito lang ako lagi. And always remember, Cordillera lang ang bahay namin.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Bomba na! Alam mo na, miss ko na yung bahay niyo. Kailan ako ulit bibisita sa inyo? Baka naman. Pero happy birthday, ma'am. Miss na miss kita. Alam mo yan. Thank you sa pag-invite. I love you. Muawa, chuk-chuk.
Sabi kasi yung coordinator, short lang daw. Short? Short lang eh. Happy birthday, sis. As your Binibini sister. Oh, Binibini sister. Ayan. Thank you so much for being nice to me since then. Ayun. Alam mo naman yan. Ako pa din yung, pinakatigas ang ulo. Pero sweet girl. Yes, ayan. And sana, mahaba pa yung buhay natin. Ayan. Marami mang mauna na sila. Sumunod na lang silang tatlo. Charay. Hindi, ayun. Well, tayo pa din. Love you.
Hello, John Leo. Happy birthday since 2010, 2011. So, kahit hindi tayo masyadong nagkakausap, may mga hindi ako iyak. Basta nandito lang kami mga friends mo. Sana may marami ka pang makilalang mas magmamahal sa'yo. Ayun, so ito yung gift ko para sa'yo. Buksan mo na. Memorabilia. Basahin mo. Maaalala mo niya pag binubuksan mo. So, 7 colors yan, parang inside out. Memorabilia. Happy birthday, long live, long life.
Happy birthday, boss. Ayun. So, ang wish ko sa'yo is, mas mahabang pasensya sa agents mo. Charis. Ayun. Thank you kasi since day one, yun, you've teach me na maging focus sa career, ganyan. So, thank you. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, boss. Alam ko how happy you are dahil sobrang successful tong pinaghirapan mo. And we're so happy for you. Wish ko sa'yo is good health, syempre. Continue to become a blessings to others. Alam ko yun. Napakaswerte ng family mo sa'yo.
Thank you din for all the support. Love you.
Hi, JL. Happy birthday. Siyempre may kodigo ako. I wish you, good health, long life, prosperity, and peace of mind. May you see every opportunities that come your way and make good use of it. May you be wiser, bolder, and fiercer for the years to come. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Nak. Ako kasi yung mamaan niya, we've known for like more than 2 decades already. So I've known her for like since she's in college. So nakilala ko siya as shy, sweet, and super smiling talaga siya. So sa office siya yung sunshine sa doll ng office namin. So yun. So, and then after that, I saw her when she graduated. She started with Mersh. So until now, she's already a very successful business woman and career woman. So nakita ko yung pag-evolve niya. So I've known her so much na super sweet. And now, she's already alluring, successful, independent, and very loving person. Even before na parang ang tagal na namin magkakilala, she never forgets all her friends, even yung sex bongs. Kasi doon yung, ako yung naging mamasaan nila. So, I wish you good health and success, and then I hope that your dreams will be within reach. Andito lang si Mama Ann until now, and we'll support you forever. I love you. Happy birthday.
Ang hirap sundan. Birthday na ni JL. Birthday na ni JL. Get out! Ow! Ayun, so ang birthday wish ko lang sa matagal ko na tinitingala. Bata pa lang ako, tinitingala na kita. Ayun. So, ang wish ko, letter J, joy. Sabi sa Google yan eh. Joy and happiness. And then letter A, aspirations. Pwede rin adventure. So, makapag-travel ka pa. Nag-chat GPT talaga ako, kaya lang nagmamadali daw eh. So, adventure para makapag-travel ka pa. And then yung YEL, your everlasting love. So, sana matagpuan mo na ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake. Yun lang. Oo, tama. Dapat daw buhay. Ayun.
Ayan, ako pa yung last. So, nasabi na nila lahat. Thank you for inviting me. And syempre, for remembering to, na alam mo yun, syempre matagal din tayo hindi nagkasama. So, ayun, ang birthday wish ko sa'yo is syempre, best of health. So, alam mo na, we're not getting any younger. So, yun yung, syempre, kailangan nating ingatan. And then, syempre, love life. So, sana mahanap mo na yung mga kasama mo for the rest of your life. And more success and money. Syempre, kailangan natin yan. So, ayun, happy birthday, Ma'am Shi.
Alright, so that was 18 wishes. And again, thank you so much. Sige po, iabot na natin ang mga candles to our celebrant to make all your wishes for JL will come true. Alright, and of course, thank you so much guys for being part of this tradition. And now moving on